Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed 6, 7, 8 problems. So in this video we shall discuss the last two problems in this exercise 11.4, and this is the end of the chapter. Also in the next video we shall discuss optional exercise of this chapter. So in this today video we shall discuss 9th and 10th problem. These are the two important problems in this exercise. So you must be thorough with these two problems. So coming to the ninth problem, that is, if secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So they have given that secant theta plus tan theta equals to p. Then we have to say that what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta. We have to find the value of secant theta minus tan theta. So we have secant theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From the identity we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So secant theta plus tan theta, we can write secant theta plus tan theta as secant theta into secant theta, so we can write secant theta plus tan theta as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So they have given this is equals to p. So when we multiply with p, secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1, we'll get here secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. So we have applied this here. So p is equals to secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So multiplying both, we'll get p secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So we will transfer this p into RHS. We'll get secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So the answer is secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So they said that we should find the value of secant theta minus tan theta. So we got secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So we will get brief solution of this question. So once again they have given secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. So we have to find the value of secant theta minus tan theta. So say secant theta plus tan theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So we'll get 1 as the is equals to 1. So we'll assume that, because here identity also they have given secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So they said this is equals to p. So p into secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So when this p gets transferred to RHS, it will become 1 by p. So here already we have RHS 1. So when we transfer this p into RHS, we'll get 1 by p. So secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So the value for the given question is secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So now we will discuss the 10th problem. This is most important problem in this chapter, because this problem in every year mathematics paper this problem is arriving. So you must practice thoroughly. This is 8 marks question which is very important and which can add 8 marks to your paper. So if you get thorough to this problem, you can face easily this question. So first of all, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then we should prove that cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So they have given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then we should prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So they have given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. So first we will prove the RHS. First of all, in every problem we will prove LHS. So in this problem we shall prove the RHS. That is, RHS is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we'll write that as it is RHS. Then when we will prove RHS, the LHS will come. So k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So in the place of k, we'll write cosecant theta plus cot theta, because they have said that k is equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So in the place of k, we'll write this cosecant theta plus cot theta. So cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, because it is k square, minus 1 as it is, by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square, because here it is k square plus 1. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know the formula, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab minus b square. So when we'll simplify that, we'll get cosecant square theta plus cot square theta. This is A and this is B. So this is A and this is B. That is 2 into AB. This is AB. So 2 into cos theta into cot theta. So we will get minus 1 as it is. So here divided by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. We know A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we'll get cosecant square theta as it is A and this is B, cot square theta as it is, we got square, and 2 into A is cosecant theta, no, 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta as it is B. So next as it is plus 1 as it is. So next we'll write these values before the cosecant square theta. So cosecant square theta minus 1, it is in an identity. So I have said you to write it before the cosecant theta. Here also cosecant theta plus 1. So here cot square theta plus 1 is also an identity. So if you write here, it will be easy to simplify. So when we rearrange this, we'll get cosecant square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta by cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 by 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta. So when we simplify this, we know cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. This is also an identity of trigonometric chapter. So cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta, and cot square theta as it is 2 into cosecant square theta, cot theta as it is. So cosecant square theta also as it is. Cot square theta plus 1 is cosecant square theta. As we have simplified like this, so we'll get cosecant square theta here and plus 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta. So as finally we'll get 2 cosecant theta is a common. So 2 cot theta, here we have 2 cot theta, so we'll write 2 cot thetas and 2 cosecant theta into cot theta as it is, by here we'll get 2 cosecant theta here, so we'll write 2 cosecant theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Here we have squares, so we'll write this both here, and here we don't have squares, so we'll write here and into cot theta. So we have common here 2 cot theta. In the above we got 2 cot theta as a common. So here 1 cot theta, here 1 cot theta. So 2 cot theta into cot theta plus cosecant theta remaining is, by here we get cosecant theta as a common. So here 2 cosecant thetas we have, so we'll write here 2 cosecant theta into another cot theta plus cosecant theta, another cosecant theta. So 2 cot theta get cancelled and 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. We get cos by sin by 1 by sin theta. So we here cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta means reciprocal of sin theta. So we'll get 1 by sin theta. So here sin theta get cancelled. So we get cos theta answer. So the RHS is, the LHS is cos theta. So the answer is cos theta. So LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So this is the very important problem in this exercise, guys. So you must be thorough with these problems, and if you want the other problems in this exercise, you can see my videos, and in the next video we shall discuss the optional exercise in this chapter. That will be an end of this chapter. That's it, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.